Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share the recipe of chocolate cupcakes with chocolate frosting. These are rich, delicious chocolate cupcakes and can be made on any occasions. Take 1 cup of maida or all-purpose flour in a sieve. Add in 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. In goes 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 pinch of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Sift the dry ingredients nicely so that everything combines well. To the flour mix, add in 1/2 cup of brown sugar. In goes 1/2 cup of white sugar. Mix it gently and keep it aside. Next, I'm going to prepare the wet ingredients. I have taken 1 egg in a mixing bowl. Add in 1/2 cup of curd. In goes 1/3 cup of sunflower oil. Add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. These are the wet ingredients and mix it. To make this chocolate cupcake, we do not need electric beater. You can use a wire whisk and mix it so that everything combines well. Now add in 1/2 cup of hot coffee decoction. I have mixed 1/2 cup of hot water and 1 teaspoon of instant coffee powder. This gives nice dark chocolate color to our cake. Well, the coffee decoction should be hot. Now it's time to combine the wet as well as dry ingredients. Mix the wet ingredients slowly into the flour mix. Mix the batter gently so that everything combines well. Do not add the wet ingredients in one go, friends. Delicious, colorful chocolate batter is ready now. Actually, I like chocolate batter very much. Look at it, friends. This should be the consistency of the chocolate batter. I have taken disposable cupcake mold. I bought these cute cupcake molds from Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description below if it is still available. Fill the cupcake mold with the cake batter. Do not fill it completely because the cake will rise. Actually, you can bake this cake in one loaf pan as well. The cupcake molds are filled with the chocolate cake batter. Bake the cake for 30 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. Well, the baking time completely depends on your oven type. This is chocolate Treslich's cake, which is so delicious. Here comes rich chocolate truffle cake. I'll share this recipe soon in my channel. These chocolate cupcakes are dark in color and spongy in texture. Cool these cakes completely before frosting. Now I'm going to prepare chocolate frosting. For that, take 250 grams of milk chocolate. Actually, I don't recommend dark chocolate because that gives bitter taste. You can mix both milk as well as dark chocolate. Heat 125 ml of thick fresh cream. Amul fresh cream tastes best for this. Actually, I have taken 1:2 ratio, so 1 part of fresh cream and 2 parts of chocolate. The fresh cream is hot now and it's time to add into the chocolate. Add the hot fresh cream into the chocolate. Mix it gently and cover it with the lid and leave it for 15 minutes. Mix it nicely and check if the chocolate has melted completely. Or microwave it for 10 seconds each time and melt the chocolate completely. Actually, this is chocolate ganache. Cover the chocolate ganache and refrigerate it for 3 hours. Also, you can leave it in room temperature for overnight. If you don't have much time, just refrigerate it for 3 hours. This time I have refrigerated, but I always prefer to leave it in room temperature for overnight. Look at it, friends. The creamy, rich chocolate frosting is ready now. You can take this chocolate frosting in a piping bag and pipe it on the top of chocolate cupcakes. But this time I prefer to have loose consistency. Normally I used to do both the ways. So I'm beating the chocolate frosting with an electric beater. Actually, this step is completely optional, friends. By doing so, this will be quite light and creamy in texture. You could see the chocolate frosting has changed its color. Rich, delicious chocolate frosting is ready now. Well, these cupcakes are cooled down completely before frosting it. I have taken the chocolate frosting in a piping bag and piping it on top of the cupcakes. You can frost these cupcakes by using spoon as well. Look at it, friends. Beautiful chocolate cupcakes with rich chocolate frosting is ready now. Now I'm adding in some golden sprinkles. This is completely optional. I'm sure kids will really enjoy these chocolate cupcakes. Look at the texture of the cupcake, friends. This is so moist and super spongy. Do try this chocolate cupcakes with chocolate frosting and share me the feedback. Subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.